I will be showing you how to make money online with user testing. All you need is a laptop or phone, an internet connection, and no technological knowledge is needed. This process is really simple. Many well-known companies and organizations will ask you to test their products. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. The website is called usertesting.com. Now, what is user testing? User testing are services provided by certain independent companies. It is a usability customer experience testing platform that gathers on-demand feedback about a product or service from its target market, allowing businesses to defend their brands and get rid of unpleasant user experiences. To get their products tested by actual users, get feedback, and fix any issues before the product is officially launched, marketers, UX and usability experts, executives, e-commerce managers, product managers, business owners, game developers, search engine specialists, mobile app developers, designers, and developers can all use this service to make the process very easy. Scroll down, right here, what is the user testing process? Or how it works? They work with a variety of companies globally who are interested in finding out what real customers think about their digital products. As a result, as a tester on usertesting.com, you will help them create a better digital experience by telling them what you think would work best on their website or app, what could be improved, and why you feel that way. Additionally, they pay you while you do it. If you sign up to be a tester with usertesting.com, tests will be sent to you based on your profile and demographics. Additionally, the tests will be examined to determine whether you are qualified to offer comments or feedback. For instance, if the test requires you to utilize or use an online store, you must first go past a screener that asks questions about your purchase patterns and the websites you frequently visit. If your answers don't match what they're looking for in a tester, the test will be removed from your bucket and you won't be allowed to take it. There are more test types where you must discuss with the client about the website and your impressions of it. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. User testing, is it trustworthy or a scam? It's possible to genuinely make money by completing the testing jobs on user testing, which is a very trustworthy website. It is not a fraud at all. Additionally, there are no costs involved in being a tester. This program is so sincere. The employment and application processes are both fairly easy and transparent. To become a tester, you must send a sample test for the user testing team to evaluate. If your test is approved, you can use this platform as a tester. Every payment is made through a PayPal account. There is no alternative way to make a payment. Click here where it says, "Get paid to test," to begin using this platform. After doing so, you will arrive on this page. Right here, the ultimate side hustle, get paid to share your perspective. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online in your spare time. Can user testing really produce profits? Yes, you can make money through usertesting.com. You can earn up to $60 for each test, according to their website. Although it's acceptable to make a little extra money while you're not doing anything on our website, it cannot be taken into account as a reliable source of consistent income. Your location and quality rating, as well as the fact that the task you will obtain is rather limited, will all have an impact on your pay. The website itself not making any implausible claims is a plus. It is quite clear from their website that, while you can make a little extra money with user testing, it won't make you extremely rich. Here, as we scroll down, is how it works. There are only 3 easy stages in this. Step 1, you have to apply. Submit your email and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. Step 2, you have to browse. Answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. New tests are released all the time. Step 3. You will have to share your perspectives via tests you match with, and help best-in-class brands improve their products and services. Step 4. You will make money online. Get rewarded for different types of tests. Your test feed will show you the amount you'll get paid for each test. How many tests can you register for and take? The number of tests you take will be mostly based on the needs of the companies. It typically changes. Every day, 1 to 2 tests ought to appear on your dashboard. Your score or rating. The number of tests you take can also be influenced by your profile, the devices you own, and whether or not you have a 5-star rating. I will now show you one more websites that can assist you in conducting user testing to make more money. The website is called userfeel.com. When you get here, click where it says, Get paid to test. You will be taken to this page after doing that. As shown here, become a tester and earn $3 to $30 per test. Each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. On this website, usability tests are actually carried out on prototypes, apps, and websites. Their responsibility is to create scenarios and carry out certain tasks, such as locating a product in an online store and completing the checkout procedure. This enables website owners to identify and address usability problems. You need to have a Windows or Mac computer, a smartphone, or a tablet to test websites for cache. If using Windows, you must have version 7 or higher. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.